Why is WHIP a key stat for baseball pitchers? Have you ever wondered how baseball analysts evaluate pitchers beyond just their win-loss records? One important statistic that comes into play is WHIP, which stands for walks plus hits per inning pitched. This metric is essential for understanding a pitcher's effectiveness in preventing runs. WHIP is calculated by adding the total number of walks and hits a pitcher allows, and then dividing that number by the total innings pitched. This gives a clear picture of how many base runners a pitcher allows on average each inning. The fewer base runners, the better the pitcher is at controlling the game. Unlike traditional statistics like earned run average, which focuses on runs allowed, WHIP zeroes in on how well a pitcher keeps batters from reaching base. A pitcher can give up hits and walks without immediately allowing runs, but those base runners increase the chances of scoring later. Therefore, a low WHIP indicates that a pitcher is doing a good job of limiting potential scoring threats. From a sabermetric perspective, which emphasizes advanced statistics, WHIP is one of the most telling metrics for evaluating pitchers. It works well alongside other statistics, such as strikeouts per 9 innings and batting average against, to give a fuller picture of a pitcher's performance. Coaches, analysts, and even fantasy baseball players use WHIP to assess how effectively a pitcher controls the game. Historically, WHIP became popular in the late 20th century as part of the Sabermetrics movement. It offers a more precise measure than older stats like win-loss records or earned run average alone. Its straightforward calculation and meaningful insights into a pitcher's performance have made it a staple for comparing players from different eras. In practical terms, a WHIP below 1.10 is generally considered excellent in Major League Baseball. This means the pitcher allows just over one base runner per inning on average. On the other hand, a WHIP above 1.30 suggests that the pitcher is struggling to control base runners. This makes WHIP a useful tool for identifying dominant pitchers and those who may be less effective at limiting offensive opportunities. In essence, WHIP is a key statistic because it measures a pitcher's ability to prevent base runners. This is a fundamental factor in controlling the game and reducing the likelihood of runs scored. It provides a focused metric that complements other pitching statistics and has become central in evaluating pitchers throughout baseball history.